point it on both the sides and then fold it. Okay.
Teacher, is this a chart paper?
Yeah, it's a chart paper. If you don't have a chart paper, you can use A4 sheets also.
I have A4 sheets.
I have sheets.
You can go for it. And there also, when you have A4 sheets, it is rectangular in shape. Okay. So from one point, you hold it and take it to the other point diagonally. Then it will become a square and then cut it. Okay. Like we have chart paper, we'll take 21 centimeter and point it out. Like here. 1 point. And again here. Take from the other side and then again 21 centimeter. Now, till here, we'll fold it. Now again, draw. So you'll get a square, right? I'm proceeding further. Then again, when you get a triangle like this, again fold it from one side and take it to the other. This way. Okay. This triangle, we have to cut it in 3 halves, 3 parts. So one is this one part. Don't cut it till the end, but like this we'll cut. Not till the end, but
Don't, teacher. Can you show?
we had done till here, right? Now open it. The whole square needs to be open. Okay. Now, taking the first part, you have to fold it, right? If you have Fevicol or Fevistick or whatever, you can stick it. And even if you have stapler, you can stick it that way also. Okay. Now, taking the first part, the smallest one, hold it together and staple or stick. Use a stapler, it will be easy because it will take less time. Otherwise, Fevicol will take much time to stick. See. Wait a minute. Something happened. Done? Done? Now, fold it.
I'm sticking it.
Okay, okay. Now, after doing that, fold it on the opposite side. Like this way we had done. Right? So, after sticking it, fold it on the opposite side of sticking. Okay? Then, hold these two parts, the second one, and then again staple it. Like this. Hold these two corners nicely and then staple it. Okay? Again, third part, hold it and staple. Done? Now again, fourth part, hold it and staple. See, mine is done. Are you done with it?
Yes, teacher.
So how is
Teacher,
it
only.
looking?
Teacher, see.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Teacher,
very
only.
nice.
Teacher, my mother helped only stapling.
What?
It's
My
awesome, ma'am.
mother helped only stapling.
Yeah, with the stapler, you can do this much of the work.
Ma'am, can you tell it again?
Okay.
Teacher.
Till when have you completed? Very nice, Rishti.
Ma'am, mine is fine.
Ashay, have you
Yeah.
completed? If you have this one, you can hang it. Okay. Apply a thread, these two corners, and then hang it. You can hang it. So mine is ready. So I'll show you after collecting all. See. Just a minute. Yeah. So mine is done. See. After you complete this part, this way also you can staple if not possible. Okay. Staple if not possible. Okay. So after, if this is not possible, like mine is coming out. Right. So I can do one more thing. If it is staple, then very nice. If not, like mine is done. Right. If not, then hold the two corners of each part. Like this is the corner and this is the corner. You can staple it. This way also. Right. So it will be easier for you to hold the sixth part in the middle. So see mine. So I have used a stapler and pinned it. So again, hold the two corners. Whatever the corner is, that's not a matter. And then staple it. Again, hold the two corners and staple it. This way, it will be easier for you to do. Yeah. You have this sheet. Fold it. Okay. Into half. You'll get the wrinkles. You'll get the middle line. Okay. And then after that, again, fold it in the other way round and you'll get the wrinkles. Done? After that, wherever the lines you have got, like these lines, the folding lines, we'll take a scale and draw the line. Okay. So after that, join the 2 points, all the 4 points actually. So first we are joining these two. Done. After that, this one. So join all the points. So you'll get a diamond shape. Drishti, hold the sheet, fold it from the longest side into half, and then again you will get a line. Okay. After that, fold it from this way where it is small side. Okay. And then you will again get a wrinkle in the middle of the line sheet. Sorry. So after that, where you're getting the lines, wrinkles, with the scale, draw the lines. And then after that, join all the points with the scale.
Ma'am, I done it.
Yeah. So after that, we'll move ahead.
Yeah, Rashmi ma'am, let's proceed.
Yeah. So after that, when you hold from the tip of the scale on the sheet and mark 1.5 on the right side and take a straight line. And then again 4.5.
Ma'am, can you tell it again? Where should we mark it?
Yeah. Again on the 3.5. Okay. Mark 3.5 and again a straight line on the right side. Same thing we'll do on the bottom, but on the left side. 1.5 and 3.5.
Ma'am, please repeat again.
Done.
Ma'am, first we should do 1.5 and then 3.5.
Yes, you can do anyway. You can do 3.5 first and then 1.5. That way also you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
Then after that, cut every part.
Ma'am, I'm doing the bottom side.
Okay. After getting it cut, the lines we have drawn, that also we'll cut. Okay. till the line we have marked, not the middle line, but only that 2 lines.
Ma'am, after marking the lines, what should we do?
We'll cut all the sides and we'll also get the side able to get it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Asha, where are you? Are you able to do?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, okay. Very nice.
Teacher, my father helped me.
Very nice. I think he knows art and craft. Done, ma'am? Sanvita, are you doing it?
Yes.
Okay. So after doing this, it will be this way. Are you getting, Sanvita?
Yes.
Ma'am, are you getting?
Drishti, are you able to do it?
And I'm doing it, okay? Because it will be easier for you also to do it all together because it will take less time. Completed with this?
No, ma'am.
Acha, have you completed the 2 of them?
Yes.
Yeah. So after that, I'll show how to interlock them. Okay. And then you stick it. Okay. So we have the small cuts, right? We'll take the above of the first one. Like we'll take the cut of the first one and we will interlock in the second one. Again. Like we'll take this first one and then interlock this with the second one. Okay. Take it and interlock. And then this the mine 6 is ready. Done with the 6.
I think they are still doing it, but ma'am, you can proceed and tell them because we'll be sharing the recording with them, so they can look into it after this class also.
Okay. Like after you complete this part, fold it.
After this, what to do next?
We have to interlock them and then fold it. Wait a minute, I'm showing it to you. After doing this, we'll circle it.
Rashni ma'am,
Yeah.
please see to it. It's fine,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. Yeah,
I've
this
done
is
it
the
with hard paper.
yeah, very nice, ma'am. Now you have to interlock them. With the first cut, you have to interlock them. Use glue stick. I mean, the glue gun. It will stick on all the sides. Otherwise, you won't be able to stick it. So this is the way you will stick it. Like, see, this is the way it will look like. Okay, the lights will be shaded off because of the paper, and it will look like a lamp.
How did you keep the light?
You can keep anything like of light on that cardboard that I have stuck in between. Can you see that? I have
Yes,
cut a
ma'am.
round and I have stuck it
Yeah, ma'am.
in that way that it will not move. And you can keep anything and everything of light in it. So now, one thing that is for you to know, that is ki whichever your color you want to, okay. So whatever your color, 3 to 4 colors you take, your favorite colors or whatever you like, 3 to 4 colors of same shade you can take, and different also you can take, okay. So the one thing that we'll do is like the background color, we'll paint the whole plate and then we'll go further. Okay. So if
चल मत जा पर वो अमर तू घेऊन ये मरे चल बस पता बस अदर
yeah,
Actually, we wanted to have the golden color for the base, but it is like this one. Will it work, or we should choose another acrylic color?
आणि बोल आणि एक प्रश्न विचारतो आणि कसा
you
बोल
can use any
ये
color
बोलना
you
पे
want.
ये भी लगता है पर
With golden,
Yeah,
it will go, ma'am. But you have to do it for the second time also. You have to do it for, I mean, you have to do 2 coats. Then it will be perfect.
the glass now. This color.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The best thing about this is when if you use for Diwali, then it is okay, very nice. And after Diwali is over, you can wash it and it will go off. Because it has normal plate also.
हां तुझे प्लेट असावेच नाही तुला दिसली प्लेट रख एक मिनिट कॅप बॉटल कॅप
And paint it, and you can just do a drop like this. Okay. Wait, I'll show you.
हां एक्रिलिक कलर ना आमच्याकडे आम्ही एक्रिलिक कलर आणि परत खाली ट्राय करूया मला एक्रिलिक कलर येऊन होता हां
Like I have my sky blue color, okay, and I paint it. And then have this.
Yeah.
करू कर आडते
Everyday.
मिक्स करूया कलर चेंज करतो ये मुझे भाई
Like this, we got one
Again.
circle. Got it? And whatever the outside we have, see, done. You just have to dip it in the color and then again dip another on the plate. That is it. After that, if you have paintbrush in your hand, that will also work. And if not, we have one more solution for that. like you have toothpick and you have paintbrush. On the of the edge, like of the paintbrush edge,
Laura,
back
करते करना.
use it. Okay, and also the toothpick if you have.
Wheelchair.
Laura.
Super color, sorry,
Mix करता.
Which color can I use on that?
You can use white, you can use yellow, you can use orange.
उसी दाखव.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I use gold also?
Yeah, you can use.
Okay, ma'am. Teacher, see.
It's not visible. Shift a little bit.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you, teacher.
So your third color, whatever you use, so have that, and again with the paintbrush tip.
Orange.
And to make that circle, can I use the button? Do it?
What?
The middle circle.
For the circle, are you talking about?
Yeah, ma'am, middle circle.
You can do.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So with the paintbrush tip, use it
नाही ना करा.
and drop.
Kurba जाय.
सारखे धर असे आणि ह्याच्या मध्ये घे. सारखे.
Turn it and in
बरं,
your
मध्ये
direction. Otherwise, it will go.
साइड को मम्मारे अजेंडी एकूण वर तेवटेन वर रे मम्मान कुछ लाइले बरं असे लागी.
So see, how is it looking? Right?
Teacher,
Sure.
see.
Bring it near the camera.
ये कैमरा
Very nice. Very nice.
राव मत.
Very nice.
Thank you, teacher.
वीडियो बंद कर देना.
So after this, you can do one more thing. Is like you have that.
No.
ऑडियो ऑन असेल.
See, you have earbud, right? use that earbud, and in the middle